Hello, in front of me I've got Android tab and the PS4 controller. In this video I'll show you how to pair the controller from the PS4 with any Android device. In the beginning, let's enter pairing mode on the controller by pressing and holding these two buttons. Now when the lights is blinking, enter Bluetooth settings, select pair new device, and now select wireless controller. Confirm, and now your controller is connected with the tab. The same process is for every Android device. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.